Hello guys, it's really nice weather today in Kuwait. So it's raining a little bit. I'll show you the place. Sorry for the dust and boom. So I'll show you my place. This place. I have two mirrors, guys. If you want to see yourself, just come and see yourself. It's a nice mirror. And I have three customers here. Why are you staying outside, my friend? It's raining.
No, that's maybe they're just.
It's a nice weather today.
Yeah.
It's a nice place. Where you go, my friend? Stay.
Yeah.
We are making video and living.
Nice.
Nice, huh? Nice weather today. Yes. Say hi, my friend. Say hi. Say something, not only like that. No, I love you all Filipinos. Huh? No, we don't have any problem with like that, my friend. Even you say I love you, no problem. Filipino is, it's a good people. Yes. And when you tell them that we love you, I love you like that. Yeah, mahal na mahal kita. Yeah, you know. Mahal na mahal kita. I like it. Okay, guys, in this our place is so many coffee shop. We have this one. We have that place. I think that is 3 coffee shop there. 1, 2, 3. I think there's a 4 in that building. They have the coffee bean and cup, and I don't know. There's a new one. It's still not open. And there's a one there, Bone and Road Cafe. That is with breakfast. They have a good sale in the morning. They have so many things. See. It's a cloudy. Let's see. Hello, sir. How are you? It's a nice place here, guys. See, we are in the nice place. Okay. It's a nice weather. It's cold. مدير حبيب وين؟ حبيب هذا بلدية ما ياكل؟ ها؟ بلدية الحين في زيادة مشكل بعدين. Okay. We have the very beautiful fountain, guys. I cannot take down because somebody is sitting there. So see you next video, guys. Thank you very much. I think my employee is here.